Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well, blessed love, guys, blessed love. Well, I'm doing some follow-up, from my cousin, that passed away, Gary. I want to thank you guys so much for the condolences that you send out. We thank you guys so much and everything. So, basically, this is a follow-up video, from I got information of what taking place, and I've got a small footage, of him while he was in there, so you're gonna see that as well. So basically he was in the hospital for 2 weeks. He was admitted in Maypen hospital for 2 weeks, cause apparently he was at home and he was feeling pain and all this stuff, but he's diabetic, so that's when they got to find out his pressure was high, and his sugar went up as well. So his pressure and sugar that take him to the hospital. So basically he went to the hospital. So he spent 2 weeks in the hospital. So in the hospital now, the first 5 days while he was in the hospital, he was sitting in a chair because they couldn't get no bed, for sitting up for so long. So for the first 5 days sitting in a chair and everything, and he was saying that there's no space, people was making space on the floor, people was sleeping all about, so while he was there, so literally after the 5 days now, he finally got a bed. So same way, his pain, everything got worse, but they kept giving him painkillers. So the painkillers what they kept giving him now is just to numb the pain, not knowing what's the problem, So this is what happened here. So you kept getting painkillers when they should have done like a CT scan to see what was the problem. So after 2 weeks giving him painkillers and everything, so them let him out now. After 2 weeks he went back home, and it's been like roughly about 4 days at home. 3-4 days at home, and then now he have to go back. So that's when they rush him to UC, because before he was at Maypen's hospital, so they have to send him to UC next, in Kingston. So while in UC they explained, and he was telling about the pain and everything, and he was weak, and his girlfriend have to be taking him, helping him to go to the bathroom and everything. So they done the scan and everything, and realized that he picked up a bacteria in his blood, as well too. So the bacteria in the blood that he picked up, that was causing all the pain and everything, so when they done a CT scan, that's what they should have done before while he was in Maypen, instead of giving him the painkillers, so at least now if they had done the CT scan, they could have seen that this was the problem, so he could have get treated by then. So by the time when they let him out, and the time when he spent at home, and then the time he reach at UC, the bacteria already take over all his body, so he was literally too late, It was literally too late, and that's what caused his life to go, because the bacteria that spread all over inside of his body through his blood, but what he picked up, so this was the pain that he was really literally feeling. But I was gonna say, the healthcare, so it's sometimes backwards here, it's so backwards, like only if you only know, so I always pray to the Almighty, I pray for health and strength more than anything else, because this is what you need more here in health. And that's time I'm saying rest in peace, Gary, my cousin, it's sad to say how his life went, but I feel always must say, put health first, and everything. So it's the 9 day, some people call it 9 night, some say 9 day, 9 day, 9 night. So this video is literally after I came back from the 9 days, so I just done this video to add to everything. So we're gonna head down to Old Harbor, where he's living, where he's from, for the 9 days, some say 9 nights. So all the thing already. So guys, so thank you so much for the love and the condolence that you guys sent out. We thank you so much. So I'm gonna show you a small footage of him while he's in the hospital, and he was explaining. So take care, guys. Blessed love. Bye.
Here I'm in the hospital, sitting in this chair for days. It's really, really bad here, really bad. Nobody looks at it, nobody here, nobody here. There's people making bed on the floor, sleeping. It's terrible.
Well. Blessed love, blessed love, blessed love, blessed guys. Welcome to Kina Life in Jamaica. Welcome. And I thank you guys so much. Thank you for the love and the support. As I say, we wouldn't do it without you guys. I would thank you so much for the love and support. So today is my cousin. 9 day. Some know it as 9 night. 9 day after him passed away. Yes, them call it 9 day or 9 nights. So today is the day, so me and some of the members them is gonna head down there, and just show support. Same way, so I would thank each and everyone that send out their condolences, we thank them so much, and we in the family we appreciate it so much. And that's what I said, you guys always been supporting me and my program and my journey. Same way, you never leave me out nowhere at all, and thank you so much for being so loyal and so real. I understand, because I'm gonna say that's love and the thoughts that counts, because life is about living for love. You understand? You cannot live for yourself. So we thank each and every one of them for the support every time. It's nothing but love. Nothing but love. Sometimes the journey in your eyes might seem steep, but you don't know. So the obstacle we have to jump it and we have to cross it. And that's how we cannot make no one make a lose faith and lose sanity. You understand? We stand firm, same way. So out today and prefect me in a red man. Yeah. We come out in red. Yes. So we're gonna head down and show support.
Yeah, man.
To one of our family, it goes already.
They don't know.
Mm-hmm.
They did it when we are doing the growing up and things.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And the man I give good encouragement.
Mm-hmm.
When pastor, we just go show his face and do the right thing, no sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
You know, it goes there to do that.
Your family again. So
Mm-hmm.
make our family too.
Yes.
You see?
Mm-hmm.
So I don't know. Condolences go out. So.
Huh? Yes, sir. Hey, yes, sir, not on mafia.
If you did that take off car with a nose, yeah, him. Because when you look on him, you know, have another glass.
Oh, see there? I mean that.
I know, yeah, yo.
Yeah.
So when you have another glass, you have the mic in him and the man is doing work.
Yeah, yeah.
Mafia kind man, the mic in him and they have another glass.
Yeah. This guy, so we have a head out here now. We have Rasta Jaxi there. And we have Boom here, boys here. Prefect in the car, man. Prefect in the car. Think you roll out. Still could car down, so the car this.
No, that I never know, so I don't do that.
Mm-hmm.
You man, see a travel, man. I'm at somebody.
Alright. Yes, guys, so I just got some drinks, you know, to bring down. You know, I'm gonna get some food as well for them to cook as well to down there. You know, so we're gonna get some food so them can boil some soup and them little things. So yes, we're gonna head out now. You know, so safe journey we say. Right? Safe journey when I say. I give thanks. Because I know when I say Kino drive safe, take care on the road. You know, blessings to my extended family. You know, it goes there. You're a Rasta man, Dave.
See everything I go on, but you know for business.
Yeah.
See everything, brother.
Hey, say relax, go on, no go on.
Come on.
I think that gear in there.
Come on.
Run your son.
When I went today,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
check my passport.
Alright then. But me I go up so I can look and come back still.
Come on, see?
Yeah?
Man,
Hold on. Yeah?
Ready.
Let's check it.
No,
All of this come over.
all that fish young now.
So I would have little so could go up. On the next side, them could go up.
Now it's full of water.
Yeah, you know, see, man.
For the
Water
bush, they
still
can
down
see
there.
the
High
water.
water.
That's just for the bush and the water burn up, man.
All only bug yourself. Can't cross it.
Nobody can cross it.
The water now set up.
I've seen anyone. Yeah, they are driving in there. Let's take us out. It's been a while. We haven't touched these sides, boy.
Everything. That's what it look like. Get a look up. Seven chapter.
Pebbles up. Why isn't it in there? I'm going to chop up film because them start this some chopping.
No. Yeah, watch that go on.
Ah, got man.
Here up. Yeah.
I want fire.
Now there's some clean up.
I start, I know. That's when you did them come down to a lighter, isn't it?
Eh?
That's when you did them come down.
Yeah.
Lighter,
Lighter.
so I go and brush it, brush it.
Mosquito on my face.
Yeah.
There's a blow down.
Eh? Yeah, man, over there, the aki tree and the mango tree.
Blow down.
Yeah, the stamp. Stamp, take down, flat.
So they didn't know what going on now?
I today, you know.
Today you know.
I today we sent to her.
Oh.
Somebody must have come here down or something tonight. I can't come here. Today she there.
Oh, today you know. Damn.
I come down.
Just reach. I'm not going to go downstairs. Yes, I'm come.
Auntie.
Yes.
I go out in it.
Yes. Them say today you know. Auntie,
Yes.
how you doing? Auntie.
Auntie.
Auntie there.
Up there. Sweet 16, you know?
What are you doing? You alright?
So bad,
What, the fun? Want to move a little bit? Say good though. Yeah. Yeah, I pass through, man. You know it goes already, you have to pass through. Auntie. So guys, I'm back here with Auntie Del. Here with Auntie. Oh. It's been a while though. Alright guys, so. Well guys, as you can see, it's been a while. Must get them out. It's been a while, you know. As you can see. As you can see, guys, it's been a while I haven't been down here, you know, so it's gonna be back to square one. You know, so you know, today is a candlelight, you know, for my cousin. So they're gonna keep it down by where his lady is his girlfriend, you know, and the setup now they're gonna do the setup up by this yard, you know. So as you can see, the whole place is bush up back again, you know. The whole place is bush up back again. So you see? Oh, the mosquito. Oh. Yeah. Can't find a pumpkin. Banana. Yo, the whole place. Eh? No.
Nice clean up.
A whole heap of yeah. When you see them work, you said, yeah. When you see them work, you said, Jaja. You know? You're like, look, oh. No. Whole place bush up. Look out on the pumpkin field. Pure mosquito down here. On the pumpkin field, man. Damn. Mangoes well ripe. As they touch them drop off in here and say Jackson, let go the lax. Let go the lax, make some country fresh breeze blowing eyes.
Yes. I'm looking for action over here, no?
Yeah.
Yes.
Right there.
Right there. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah. Keep them more active just jam.
Yeah.
Rasta Jackson last feature knee. Say the locks are knee lift. Just fix a bango, yeah. Ready right and ready. Mellow. Okay, apply.
Can't see none of the tree.
Can't see nothing. It's high.
There's pumpkin on that.
Can't find a pumpkin, man. No. Look at that. God damn.
Unless the tree is dead out now.
No.
I'm not see. Like it dead out.
Everything in dead out. And bush all. Hey, mosquito them down here enough. Listen. Mosquito them enough down here, I tell you.
You're not supposed to chill and tea and night time, brother.
Yeah, tell you. Down here always full of mosquito, you know. Burst to go rain. Here, guys, as I can see, where the farm is. Everything is back to square one. Square zero, not one. Everything is back to square zero, you know. So I guess the family never interested in continue doing what he was doing, you know, because they're interested them in going to maintain it. So it would look so bush up, you know. Meditate. Meditate. Long time I still meditate. This bush up. But you know, so we'd have to come and see what it's like, you know. Boom, you find a mango. God. My book up in a was in a Jackson. Oh, yeah, oh, a mango drop. Boom, find a mango. Sweet. But them one are sweet though.
Mosquito going for.
What? This is where mosquito were born.
Watch out, the lime tree that is a killing out. Big lime killing.
Where's the Jackson? You pick a mango and it drop and it last. You can't find it. Look like I only get the last 2 mango. So I'm ripe one there too. Good. So on the jack, boom. Over your head, boom. See there? Where? Oh. Lord, the mosquito are going to tear me, not lie. Jackson, that man got a gun, man. I can't. That man got the last Jackson. This one here, hey, that one here drop, that one here night, one here firm still. Whee. No sir, all the jelly tree them. What's the mango you were drop recently? Them firm, you know, not past mango. The mango you firm, see them here. Firm. Hey, all 6 mosquitoes I bite at one time. Yeah. Yo, nah lie. Can't take the mosquito bite. The mosquito bite too much. 6 bite one time. You find it?
No, it's going to start to find it, man. But I don't know what it's still can't see there. This system, just fix it there. What I do?
Find 2 where drop your well firm, see me. Bang, watch out. Could mosquito pa my hand.
Okay, can you swam, man?
Could them swam, le.
What's on my clothes? Come on, clothes on your table.
No, sir. Bang. No, sir. The man them say fresh blood. I'm leaving these mosquito field. They might get too much blood now. Too much. This guy say, you know, say my aunt, well, my grand aunt, you know, who's Gary mom, you know, they told her today. Yeah. Auntie, okay?
Yeah, I'm going on.
No? I'll go ahead, make a day here. Eh? Magaman. Yeah, you see Magaman, I mean. So, that's my cousin mom, you know, so apparently she didn't know what's going on, you know, so she know today. But it's, you know, like she know but she don't know, you know, because she, you know, she's in her age and everything, so I don't want to speak to her about it neither, so I just continue neutral and just let it go and see me. But we not lie them. Actually, no mosquito still a bite me too. The mosquito is bad. Too bad. Tree blow down over there as well too. The ackee tree.
The big ackee tree that drop.
Yeah.
And the mango tree half pipe gone.
Yes guys, so you know we're gonna head down yeah, why the mosquito them is really bad up here. You know, so mosquito them is bad. So you know we're gonna head down to where Gary, you know, he was living with his man and girlfriend, you know, I'm living this year, but he also stay with his girlfriend where they in business is. So that's where they keep in the candlelight. It is 9 days, some say 9 nights, you know, so and the setup now, here is where they're gonna keep it in this yard where we used to do the farming, you know, so they start do some cleaning up now, you know. They start do some cleaning up already. So by the time is right and ready, you know, at least they have to be a bit more lighter. You know, as they can hear the worker still kicking. You know. Perfect. Yeah. I gotta answer now. Oh, good man, look a bit, you know. I got to go flat, yeah. I got to go flat. Go and take care of the waka, you know. See it there. Waka still up and running. I go and do some help out down here, because we are going to let them cook down there, you know, so.
Yeah, man.
I don't go and start the ball roll. Do the cooking, yeah.
Alright. Look up, I'm going to look up.
Yeah.
Look how much.
About. Get lime.
That call it, you know, about too much second. About 3 minutes or 4 minutes out of work this thing.
And you get lime.
And me and the boy them down there fine.
The mosquito them. Auntie, yeah. I'm going to see you in a bit. I'm going to go down by Arlene. And go down the road. So I'm going to see you when you come down the road, okay?
Oh, you're coming down here.
Yeah? Alright then. See you in a bit.
Alright, my nice wife. They are with fine, yeah? Looking young and fresh still with.
Alright guys, so that's Gear mom. You know, so as I say, I know she's in age.
Yeah.
You know, she's in age, so you know, as I say, she never know what's going on, you know, but she know today, you know, so she's dressed up and ready to go down the road, so someone's gonna come get her to bring her down, you know, so but it's like she know, but like she not really to understand what it is going on, you know, so picking fever grass.
Oh, when I start me now, got to take all the root out, go plant.
Fever.
Tea right here in the belly. A nice tea then.
Fever grass tea, man.
Wow. Good tea, you know. Not joke tea. But no one have it on my ground.
Oh, yeah, planted.
Yeah.
Can you catch root? Can't plant.
It's a root, a small root. If you know that will come from. Yeah.
So this kind of blow down. See that?
Fence kind of hold them up.
Yeah. But this can pull back and tie down.
Tie down. And just like the road.
I imagine Mr. Jamaica walk by and do a video. And Jamaica walk by there exactly outside this gate. When the gas man come out. Yeah. Yeah man, right there's a Jamaica walk by there. Call him and tell him say that right outside my gate, bro. Right outside. But we not like master them bad up here. And look at what jelly tree.
The situation.
Yeah. Wow. So we have limes.
Yeah, man.
Some of that limes there we go down. Lemonade. Lime and this. You tie it good?
Yeah, man. Time, man.
We're gonna put that tonight. Put me in the bag and put it tonight. And look how nobody can get lime at Kingston. And look how many limes. So imagine no one can get lime in Kingston. Look how lime they are a stone dog. You know? And a lot of trees over this land here blow down. Blow right down. So the water you can see for the water is stuff. Oh, that's flood out. Water line. So the water line. You can dig out on Look at this, guys, though. The whole around here so did flood out.
Water make weird.
Look how far the water did there. So where the tree there?
Yeah. I mean, the water cover me here then, you know.
Yeah, man. A boat them have to use them place there, you know. Look, so them have to dig out the whole behind here so to make way. Look at that.
And some places you get it more wickeder than.
So the whole in here so. The whole in here so they flood out. The people them yard flood out. Water still in here so see them here.
Yeah,
Mingling! Hey. Some place really get it, boy.
You have to give thanks at all.
Yeah.
Because baby rain and baby breeze. Nothing compared to all things like
No.
people. Watch it. The place red.
Red.
Show you which part of the water like.
Can watch this, yeah? Look. You see the top of the wall?
Yeah, man.
It's red. So that means that the water was
Right.
above. You see me above this. You know?
To the post look like.
Yeah. The run yourself flood man a boat them have to use as well too. Cause when the pan you know. The pan.
When it flood me.
Yeah.
Can't cross it.
Mingling. Ming.
That's them panel.
Wow. There pass through. Why no flood out? Bad. Jaja.
Give thanks to cross it, you know?
Yeah. For life though.
Cross it, you see a bit.
How far the water to come? High? Half? Eh? On top of the wall, yeah?
You couldn't see that, so.
You couldn't see the wall?
I don't care. I come up this and turn past here.
You that guy, so you couldn't even see this wall. Yeah, look now, you couldn't see that wall, Adina. Yeah, the mango trees. So I guess the water stop with the mango trees though. Wow. I'm glad well at least you survive it. At least. Because them day I pass through. Yeah. You know, to that Gary can glide. Whole them place you have water. The veranda never get any water, the veranda.
Yeah, till I say house right up right top this so.
Yeah. By the top part of the house, you saw the water there? So the whole of the house flood out. Wow. Damn. So imagine the whole of, all of this, the water was right up here, flood out the whole house. So all them say them clear up the pond, them fix the pond.
Where?
That not fix good then.
Then dig out all the time we did have one valve out this so.
Mm-hmm.
So you see when I wanna drive that?
Yeah.
When the water run it so run off.
Mm-hmm.
With a turn on that the water run off the road.
Yeah.
And then come and run this so and bank up the dirt. So part of it in tear down.
Oh.
And then I come back and fix it, then I come back now. You see part of tear down now?
Yeah.
When the gully full up,
Mhm.
the water run come over here so.
Okay. Damn. So imagine that, man, and that is deep. Yes, my general.
People walk to the gate to come in.
You could walk through the gate. No, cause pure water that you look on. Cause if you go right up to the tree right there where you see the brownies.
The water out the road so yes so. Meet up everybody from the side station flood out the road.
Everybody flood on. Oh. We give thanks, you know, everything was alright, it never worse. Still got life, you know, life spares. It's just the aftermath.
And guess what? When Beryl come when the flood out, you know, and Saturday rain this, you know.
I started the rain.
The rain start fall. Both them are up from about 4. Both them are out and Saturday right back till 7 o'clock in the morning.
Oh, so it never was the burial. It's
burial.
after the burial.
Beryl didn't come, but he just go up on the veranda.
Oh, so the rain after now do the damage. Cause them said that rain never come as well too.
Yeah, and them I say we have rain this weekend again.
This a weekend too? Wow.
We have to go and watch our last one.
So the sky looks as well too.
So you come.
She alright, you know. She alright. So I'll catch up then.
Yeah man.
Yeah?
Me in the good vibes, me walk.
Walk come down.
Anything else me every
Alright then.
day. Take care.
Yeah man, you too. Say hi to Ming for me.
Yeah man.
Yeah. Guys, as you can see, the whole of this place flood right out, you know, right out. Imagine, yeah, you couldn't even see this wall, and look where the water reached me. You understand? And you couldn't see this wall, you know, and the flood of the whole of the house. So imagine that, Jack said, look, not even this wall you could have seen. That's where the water stopped.
Right, for the water stopping up for the mango.
It's flooded out the whole end of the house.
Yes, he took out the things them there. Put them outside, look for the mango. So that's the water stopping there,
Yeah.
bread ready, you know. So it stopped, they're not dead with dead after summer.
You didn't tell them, man.
No.
Good thing.
I tell you.
So all of these houses around here, we say flood out. Everybody them say around here flood out.
No.
Wow.
Water come up in the year.
All this gully. Spray, yeah. Mosquito, yeah. Him. You said the whole of the house flood out, you know, that's how high the water reach, you know. The whole of the house flood. Yeah, up at the top house.
The house of them can't catch you a hill that, you know.
Yeah. Hey. So some people really get it, so we have to really give thanks, you know. We have to really give thanks, boy.
I get it. Me actually have some house that me have a trade. The people them have no house left. It's a house that water cover. A woman says she still traumatized after our go on.
I'll go on, yeah. Manners.
Yeah. Because she can't do it. Never
So all of these houses where you see here, flood out. Water go right in. Even next door, you saw the man of the goat in our backyard. Flood out, everything flood right out. House them, they say people still sleep for water. People still sleeping out. Yes, my general. Yes, sir. How bad it is on here, sir, with the flooding? The flooding. Eh?
Pier work.
Pier work. I still at work, see me.
Eh.
Boy, I see it really bad, boy.
Whole place will take me a clean up.
Oh, you still a clean and see me?
Eh.
Cha.
Let's give thanks to our lives.
Yeah. Is there when it happen?
Eh?
Is the inside when it happen?
You put all the content in there.
Oh, don't have to leave out.
Eh.
Cha.
Alright.
We'll give thanks, it never worse, you know? See, nobody.
Nobody can stay in this place. Unless them know on them life.
Because the one thing with that panic, dangerous when it come over, you know, I tell us a boat. They have to use the boat whenever it come over. Boat. So look, so Mikey nail up all film window. See, imagine all Mikey place now. Mikey!
When they call the wall like it all crack around, so like it all crack in the wall.
Mikey! Yeah, somebody understand. Check up on some people. Mike! Oh, go on. Oh, you bad dog them? Eh? And get trouble? Jano. Gary, candlelight.
Around, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you're far away, man.
How the water leave with you around here?
Yeah, you say come right to the house.
Right through the house.
Yeah, man, in the room. Yeah, sir. See the ball field?
Yeah. Flood out. I can imagine because don't let even ming them and say you could even see the wall. That's how high it is.
I know, man.
And remember for them house to go right up. You know?
When I walk out, there's some man want to catch me.
Are your waist?
I go up more, we walk up more, catch me. I go through the bushes and go up on my brethren. On the other side of the road.
Yeah.
And go over Peter.
Higher.
You know. You find that good so far.
Yeah, we give thanks, you know.
Yeah, man.
We give thanks, no life never lasts,
No,
you know.
No, true, man.
And that's the aftermath today, cleaning up and everything.
Yeah.
You know, so sorry. Yeah, your dog them good, the dog never get washed away.
No,
But dog can swim.
they're good, man. But when we come back, we see them.
Yeah.
Them I don't want to take the ride on the rock. Them I show somewhere they can ride, you know.
General. Some see you for those fence zinc up that for the water not go in.
Man. I'll be going to the drop.
Oh yeah, the plum tree. Hey.
This is my coming.
Oh, are your son? Oh, go on. Oh, go on. Me black off your place, man. There, man. Yeah. Them there pass through, because I know Gary can't go like to the star. Wait, I'm so sudden as well too and so quick. I like as a man sick.
Tonight, my grandfather dropped out by my father's side.
Tonight? Jaja.
But we have to come and get everything and then we go speak.
Spanish, yeah. Alright. Yeah.
Yeah, man, we have passed through.
Because them there pass through. Yeah, that I realize, man, so the water deal now. We around here, star.
Yeah.
Everybody feel it.
Everybody.
Yeah, must read them sort out the pan already.
I know where all of the money they spend in garden over that time. You know, see sense like Just spend on you know?
Nothing. Backboard, you know. At least they may get washed when you know.
How they are still, yeah?
Alright then, yeah, because I don't them I go now still.
Alright, fine.
Yeah? Right. So Mikey, look a bit then. Alright then, so.
We have to forward, man.
Yeah man, so yeah man. Alright. All the damage. The man house flood out too.
It's a change down a bowl, man.
Yeah. Red out. Oh, it's flood out. Yeah. Guess the watermark on the wall. Watermark on the wall. Right here. Can you come up here say now, down in the sun? Yeah. This guy, so I go look through domino. And there's no domino up here, so I'm gonna get to domino because they did got some dominoes, but it's kind of missing up. So I go buy 2 pack of domino chunk pack. So looking for the the place, the store named Chunk Fat. Chunk Fat. So the clock, Chunk Fat.
Catch him before he done.
Oh, that one.
Jesus, that in heaven. No, you're right.
I'm gonna ask them then I said. Yeah, I'll take this there. Hey brother, where you get the dominoes? Oh, you're working. I'm also upstairs. They're right here. We have to ask behind the counter then. You have dominoes? How much you want? Give me 2 please. You pay down there, right? So guys, so you got 2 packs of dominoes. In the town is quite busy. Oh gosh. You have one. Yeah. That woman, you know? The proper gym builder, look. God damn. Yo, if you see that lady, she's proper. She look like a man the way she work out. Gym body. Hey, and her head ball as well. Everything. Oh God. Yo, I prayed her a while ago. Yo. Eh? Oh, we are on the road, man. I'm going run. Anything she can't manage. Majestic.
Hello, mommy.
Hello. Alright, so guys, this is the soup things cut up already. So we have the soup, we taking out the kitchen, we have the chicken foot, pumpkin and thing, we have the yam as well, you know. So yeah. So we have the curry chicken and so curry up already.
But it smells good. Smells nice and it just have a little curry on it.
Curry chicken and the soup, chicken foot. Yeah, so you know, we pick up start the baller roll. So we have more seasoning cut up already. Here, you know, we have pepper, sweet pepper. So we have everything here already sorted out and ready. And we're good to go. So you know, say we ain't itching, you know. Yeah, it's because wife you reach here.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
My kitchen please.
Alright, yeah.
So far, I did this one this side.
Okay.
They got a bigger one.
Do you want more rice on this?
Yeah.
I don't know what about chicken or that.
No. Big butter soup. Hey, good man. That's the right true. So people can manage.
Yeah, man. We are gonna make it work, man. No rest yourself. That's the way I do. We're there in our kitchen. I work the kitchen.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are gonna make everything work.
Alright then, everything will work. Rest in peace, cause you know, Why? Because the day, because it say, a pure teeth right now. The man I love smiling. You smile, the man there with a smile right now. Yeah. Rice. Yeah, I tell the man.
That's why, you know, like, feel to just do the right thing, live good, and don't be selfish. Because today you're here, tomorrow is not. No one, this life, no respect no one.
Yes.
They are today, tomorrow you're gone.
Yeah.
So, I live it to where you left on earth, only that I go come.
Yes. Memories live on, you know.
The memories. That is it.
Memories live on.
I see this,
And it's a cousin wife here, Eileen. You know, our condolence goes out. You know, so guys, so this is my cousin wife here. You know, so we know she'll go through the distress right now. You know, so prayers. You know, I would thank all of them for the condolence. You know, and just hold strong to me. You know, so guys, just a little to all. You know, so just I do some preparation for today. You know, so. I wish your son passed the other day. We get our buttons as well. And she have a son that passed away the other day. How long now he passed away?
1 year and some months.
Over a year now. So over a year now she have a son passed away. And now her husband passed as well, you know, so yeah, so you have to be strong. You have to be strong. So I got on my button, you know. Very young. So we see like them tell her today.
Yeah, today we tell her, we didn't tell her.
Yeah.
We don't try to find the courage to tell her a long time.
Yeah. Oh, you know, she not really too sound. She not really, it's like she still not really understand, see me.
She said what she said.
But you know, it's not sure like she really understand what I go on, really, you know.
Yeah, man, she knows so well.
Because she knows so well, so that's why you know really kick into her because you know she's not so well guided.
The son did and she had tried to
hold it.
Yeah, she had tried to.
Yeah. Ah boy. Sometimes. Auntie, who you talk to? Sasha. Sasha. What? Where you say, Sash?
You're not calling me no.
I like me. I mean, I hear from you. You dash me away. A long time I not hear from you. Where does dash me? Where do I Sash? That's true. I saw you go, you dash me. I saw you go alive. No, sir. You dash me, but I saw you go. I'm there, man. Yeah, but I go and prepare some stuff, you know. Yeah. Yeah, man. Four? No 6 no job yet?
You want to go to the point power, you know. You want to go to the point power, but power is your one.
Alright guys, alright, so you know what? Listen. You know, so while the preparation is going on, you know, I just stretch my legs to check out this area. Listen, General, what is area name? What's the name of this?
Skellington Drive.
Oh, this road name Skellington Drive? And you have Darlington.
Darlington Drive up on the street.
Oh, so what is this one name, this stretch?
I have some more name.
Oh, so the area itself don't have a name for itself?
Skellington Drive, they call it. But you have like lane.
Yeah.
Part it up in lane. So you go like you go that lane, you have a different name for the lane. Them.
Okay. Yeah. So tell me how the weather treat you?
Well,
the hurricane? Not so bad. Yeah. Well, anyway, my name is Kino. You know, I'm a YouTuber as well. You know, we highlight the positivity of our country and the thing. You know. Yeah. So there's a candlelight that's going on right here.
I don't know.
Yeah, You know Gary, you know Eileen?
Yeah, I know Eileen.
You know our boyfriend Gary?
No.
The big man the way that sell the food and thing.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's my cousin, so film candlelight are going tonight, so you can pass through.
I'm a good friend.
Say you can pass through, come show the, you know, some of us are going check out what are going in other areas. So you say this is on Skellington Drive.
Yeah, different lanes, so that's the name.
Okay.
Yeah.
Through the name them is not even on the wall for me to know.
Some of them the on light post them still.
Yeah.
Light post so they, when they go the lane them, you see the lane when name from where no name.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let me look on the posters where Eileen is sent out today. Let me see which name she have. Because like how you said that now, so that means everywhere have a name. So she said it Darlington Drive. Okay. So okay. Pamela Avenue. Yes, so this is Pamela Avenue. That's off Darlington Drive. Okay, so alright then, big up General. Yeah. So basically, so we Darlington Drive. Is it Darlington Avenue? Well, yeah, Darlington Drive. That's off Darlington Drive. You know. So where the setup is keeping is called Pamela Avenue. You know, so that's the name of it, Pamela Avenue. So you know them says different name and everything around here. Cause like this one now is Marciana. So this is called Marciana Avenue. So up there is where the setup is, the 9-night is keeping. You know, the candlelight up there. You know, and this is Pamela Avenue. You know, so I guess Darlington Drive will be, I don't know which way that go to, so you know, but I'm just checking out the neighborhood, you know, to see what it's like. You know, it's taking its time getting dark right now, you know, so then start to play a bit of music and everything in the place, and that's the archive van, you know. So as you can see in Old Harbour, there's not many places being hit bad, you know, by the hurricane, you know. But for up by where my cousin or where he's originated from, you know, where we do the farming, the pond, you know, as you can see in the video, it done some serious damage, you know, flooding out a lot of people's houses. You know, that pond really came over, you know. But in these areas, as you can see, I don't really see any trees that blow down, you know, no trees that blow down. So you have mango trees still standing strong and everything. So I guess, you know, around here is kind of different. It's different. So everywhere is different. So we just walk and stretch our legs to see what it's like. You know, because there's so many different places around here, same way. You know, so you have another road here. General, what's the name of this road? Kennington. So, from here go to name Skellington Drive. So, and the area itself don't have a name, it's just the
one name is the name
Pamela Avenue, that, yes. And you have Marciana Avenue over there. Well, okay, but I think the area that have a name for itself, you know, then with the name it have for itself, now you have the avenue and the lanes then, you know. So I guess it's not like that. So if we go this way, it carry you back to Pamela.
Yeah.
And if we go this way as well, where it take you to? In a town.
Still up on Skellington Drive, come up on the left hand side.
Okay, so this will take you all the way around town. Okay.
Come like on circle.
On circle.
Yeah.
Alright then, big up yourself, man.
Yeah.
Every time. They put Instagram and everything there?
No.
Facebook? Nothing. But that make you give yourself a shout out, you know?
No one, but what you know?
You're an artist?
Yeah, me have a song.
Yeah. See, if I give you a song, man, you can check out my YouTube channel named Kino Life in Jamaica, yeah. It says Kino Life in Jamaica.
Instagram.
On Instagram and YouTube. You know, so you know, say if you drop all the lyrics now, you're gonna see that on the YouTube page itself. You know, you can tell them where them can find your song then. Yeah. So if you want to promote yourself, you can.
I'm not on a station now.
Yeah, or in a
station.
So when them say you go studio?
Yeah, one time I ever been there still. I just want one song.
You record already?
Yeah.
Yeah? So how it go?
God, man.
Why you have to play upon your phone?
I play, I have phone, pa.
Well, you see, as an artist, you just know the song out of your head, you don't need.
No, man, but that's one night time, that's it.
Shy, you can't, listen, you can't be artist and shy, you know. You can't be artist and shy. You see me, have to just let it out.
True.
You know?
Yeah.
That's one go. When as an artist, when a man say, yo, give me a song, you just drop it right away. Me don't know what them are pre about. I keep.
Reach out.
Hey, you see that?
You know the speed, man.
Yes.
So go on, man.
Alright, you see it there? Just like that, you see, you catch the melody. You see me? Say, but I'm afraid to give them something, man.
Yeah, give them one. But they are still, anyways, my name viral.
Yeah.
I'm on a station yet, so if you tell it on the YouTube tube bar, you know.
Yeah. So if you look out for the name.
Yeah, man. Still there, look out for the name, viral, one viral.
So give them a small piece of the song where you have,
Tell
man.
you see a money at the priest, so me tell you see enough money in a jeans. From wallet and me seat, have a girl on the seat. She tell me say me clean, me living at the posh, me no living on a dream. Me I tell you 16, and me fully 19, and me cheap. Right, that's it.
Alright then, so look out for viral. So hopefully when the time for come out now, it might go viral. You know the thing go just like that. You got yourself artist, so viral, you know. So they are roll through the scheme, you know. Because there's a candlelight going on Pamela Avenue.
Hello?
Yeah. I'm a cousin candlelight. You know Eileen?
Yeah.
Yeah, Fiora boyfriend, the big man them passed away, you know. She's a candlelight. I'm going around there tonight, you know. Yeah, man, but around here look quiet still, you know.
I'm quiet, Avenue 1.
Very quiet. And I can't say like around here never really too affected bad by the hurricane, by the storm, neither. This is a nice house, you know. This looks like a, yeah, looks like a really nice apartment, boy. There's a family living there, that's one person.
No, people come.
Oh, it's an Airbnb. It's an Airbnb? Alright, rent out.
Yeah, me, man.
Is that hotel like?
Yeah. A small hotel.
Okay.
So people can rent and
Oh, people rent on it. Yeah, cause they look nice for it, boy. Really look nice. This guy is, as you said, a very quiet neighborhood, you know. Very quiet and in. One thing we did. So if you like quiet places. Oh, no, so. Oh, so you have a next community over there. See there. Different from this community. So what the community name over there?
Lennoxville.
Oh. Lennoxville?
Yeah.
Oh, so it's different over there from over here, so?
Yeah.
See there? Alright, then big up yourself, man, yeah? Yes. So see this is like a circle, guys. Come right back around. A big tree, you know, barely couldn't move this at all. Still standing strong, same way, you know, going around, going strong. Man as a general. So the place is very quiet, very peaceful, you know. As you can see, it's really getting dark now. So it is that time of the day, you know. So I'm just looking around, see what is going on. So if I follow this road, it takes me on the main road that takes you down into Old Harbour Town, into Bay, you know, and see, I come back right round to the street where the setup is keeping, you know. So everything's like a circle around here. Just go around and come back round, go around and come back round, just like that, quick as that, as you can see. Quick and fast. So this is a whole heap of empty land is right here. I don't know what they're doing with this. Trust me. Yes, guys. So thank you so much, you know, for watching Key Life in Jamaica. You know, so you will get some flash footage of what's going on. Cause you know the music's gonna affect, so you will see what's going on. Just said love. I don't choose some. Yeah.
We'll be right back.
Oh, you want? Shut it down and see.
No, man.
I'm good, man.
No, you're in the kitchen.
Yeah. Okay, move. Yeah. Yes. The ones. No, sir.
When you're down the way, I do.
Yeah.
That's why I mean I put them my put them put that kill me down.
Can't sit down. No. You have to keep moving. I'm gonna stop till the pot done. Yeah. Good.
Sit down now, everybody.
Everything is done.
Yeah. Done, fry the fish, the cook done.
Yeah. Yeah, man. But smelling good, man, I lie. Really good. Yeah, man, get some more. Yeah. So give a look more for the camera. Yeah. Some more want some water and that?
No, no,
That's the rice pot.
yeah, man.
Hold on about speed.
When this done, I'm going to take it off.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.